The coffee definitely overpowers. Oh, it's kind of bitter actually. Yeah, it's like a bitter, dark coffee treat. What's up, guys? This is American in the Philippines, back with another Filipino snack taste test. Today we're trying snacks from Davao City. I was there for a month in June, and so I brought back a bunch of snacks. So we've got enough for 2 videos of this. But this first one, we're gonna try durian snacks. I went to a place called Apo ni Lola, and apparently they've been making durian snacks and selling them there for like 50 years or something. So we're gonna try different durian flavors and see if we like it. Let's get started. We got durian buko pandan. So buko pandan is delicious. I don't actually know what it is, but I know it's always green. It's like a little lump of some sort of taffy. Very sweet. Mildly durian, which is good because I don't really like durian. I can definitely taste the pandan. It definitely tastes the coconut, which is nice. There's a little bit of the durian funk there, but it's really not that bad. So that's delicious. It mostly tastes like buko pandan, which I really like. So that's probably like a 9 out of 10 for that. Next we got, these are durian nuggets, which I guess is just straight durian, but it has peanuts inside. Let's get into here. Again, just kind of like a lump, like a very crude shape. Oh yeah, peanut flavor right off the top. That's nice. It just kind of tastes like peanut butter taffy. It melts very easily, which is nice. That's excellent. I mean, I love peanuts. I didn't get very much durian at all on there. These are already open because I gave away a lot of pasalubong to people here. You know, friends and stuff that I talked to. I like made little gift bags for them to give out. They all seem to like them too. So that's a great one. I'll say 8.5 or 9 out of 10. Next we got their mangosteen, which I didn't know I liked mangosteen until my girlfriend Daisy brought me some. But it's very delicious. This one is purple, which makes sense because mangosteen is purple or blue. Oh yeah, there's lovely mangosteen flavor. All the ingredients are condensed milk, durian, and then powdered milk. So apparently it's just sugar and milk. And then this is not durian at all, it's just mangosteen. So this is delicious. I mean, this is like a perfect little treat. So I don't know if you can hear a sizzling, but I'll be right back. Okay, sorry, I'm heating up some dinner, and I can hear like the steam kind of sizzling on the stove. So turn that off. So mangosteen is delicious. I mean, this is like a perfect candy. I believe it's like a 9.2 out of 10. Next we got the Yema Langka. Langka is jackfruit. They seem to have the same types of fruits. I think they have a family farm and they grow langka, jackfruit, mangosteen, and durian. So a lot of different combinations of that. I love jackfruit, especially like when they make it into like ginataang, like when they add coconut and chili and stuff to it. It's really nice. No durian in this one, which is great. Honestly, it tastes just like jackfruit. It's very lovely. It melts right away. I'm trying to think of an American candy that the texture is similar, but there's really not. It's kind of like taffy, but it melts right away. It's not super chewy. It's delicious though. If you like jackfruit, it tastes just like that. And this is another 9 out of 10. All of these are really, really nice. We've got a durian coffee, which I never would have thought of that combo. What is in here? Condensed milk, coffee powder, durian meat, and powdered milk. So again, very simple. It smells very, very strongly of coffee. I mean, the coffee definitely overpowers. Oh, it's kind of bitter actually. Yeah, it's like a bitter, dark coffee treat. It's really good. Maybe not as good as the other ones, but I give that like a 8.1 out of 10. We got one more. We had 6 in total. This is the mango yema. So we've had buko durian, durian peanut, durian coffee, yema mangosteen, yema jackfruit, and now yema mango. Yema is like a sweet cream. There's like yema cakes and stuff I've come across a lot. Try the mango. Not a very strong mango flavor, honestly. I mean, it's still good. It's sweet. But I would say the mangosteen and the lanka came across very, very strongly. That's a solid. I mean, it's good. 8.5 out of 10. If I had to pick a winner, though, I love mangosteen. In fact, I have some mangosteen chocolate bars I'm going to try in my next video. So if you're ever in Davao, go to Apo ni Lola and get some of these yema durian candies. They're really nice. So thanks for watching, guys. If there's any snacks that you think I should get that I haven't tried yet, or anything in Davao, because I'm going there again soon, let me know. Thanks so much for watching. We'll see you later. Bye.